Eggmas, day 5. This is a series that I'm doing all month long. 30 days of cooking an egg a different way. So comment down below what you want me to do next. Today I'm going to try to do the omurice omelet, because right here, lots of comments like this. Everyone wants me to do this omurice omelet. I don't think I've quite done it before. It's more of a technique, and I'm going to see if I can do it today. So I hope it works out. So this is not a technique that I am expecting to get right off the bat. Omurice is something that takes a lot of practice, but I'm really stoked to get into this and go along the journey and perfect it, right? So this is my first take. I'm really hoping that it works out. Quick tip with your eggs, I've shared this before, I usually don't crack on an edge. I'll crack on a flat surface, that way the shell doesn't break into the egg itself and ruin things. So as you can see, the ingredients are pretty straightforward. It's just eggs in a bowl, and I'm gonna whisk them up and basically make it like I'm making a normal omelet. It's very straightforward. Now, for the pan of choice, it could either be nonstick or carbon steel. I'm gonna go with the nonstick today. I usually start with a spat of butter and then get that melted. I don't want it to be too hot because I don't want any color on this. Toss the eggs in on about medium heat, and then I just kept agitating them. I'm really hoping this first attempt works out here. And I'm just scraping the sides, and then I let it set after a while off the heat. Then at this point, I'm just gonna roll it from edge to edge, scrape all the sides down. Basically, as you can see, it's really raw on the inside. That's the whole point of this omelet. It has to be very, very soft and custardy in the middle. I sort of f***ed this one up. I kind of fucked it up. Tester number 1. Not bad, dude. Just need to get a better presentation, but that looks pretty good. Here, try that. Very soft on the inside. Good texture. Yeah, it can be softer though. Try one more time. Okay, take 1 was not that bad, but it was not exactly what I wanted, so time for take 2. I showed you guys on the last video, I usually just let the eggs dry out, and then I take a paper towel, and this just comes right off. No need to scrub or anything with non-sticks. Okay, so time for attempt number 2. Start the same way, butter, not too hot, put the eggs in the pan, agitate the out of this stuff. And then I was pretty happy with the way it was starting to look in the inside. I've got that nice custardy egg raw in the center going on. I gave it a little flip, and there you go. I've got an omelet. Now, I should not have left it in the pan while doing everything else. You'll see why in the end. Gonna mold my rice with a wet paper towel. Tad overcooked in my opinion, but still a tasty looking egg. So there you have it. You gotta serve this immediately because this can overcook quick. It'll carry over. So serve it immediately. Then we have some leftover miso potato here. Put that on top. Might as well. Then maybe some of our pickled shiitake mushrooms. There we go, dude. That's a pretty tasty looking egg dish for Eggmas day 5. This was my attempt at omurice. To me, kind of a fail, but you guys tell me in the comments down below.
Still tastes really good.
It's good eggs, right? Mm-hmm. Give you guys a close-up. See, it's really soft in the inside. I don't recommend this dish to people that don't like raw eggs and runny yolks and stuff like that. I love raw eggs. I love sunny. I love all kinds. That's really good. Smash like, subscribe.